Is it possible to delete Wi-Fi bill search history?
Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we'll be discussing a quite important topic, especially for those who highly value their digital privacy. Is it possible to delete Wi-Fi bill search history? Let's delve into this question and provide a clear answer.
What is Wi-Fi bill search history?
Before we get into the specifics, let's first understand what we mean by Wi-Fi bill search history. Your Internet Service Provider, ISP, keeps logs of all the data transmitted over your Wi-Fi, which could include your browsing history. These logs could potentially be retrieved and reviewed. However, this information does not generally appear on your Wi-Fi bill itself. Therefore, when we talk about deleting Wi-Fi bill search history, we're referring to the act of clearing your browsing history or search data that your ISP may have on record.
Can you delete your Wi-Fi bill search history?
The short answer to this question is no. The data that your ISP has collected is stored on their servers, and you as a user do not have the ability to delete this data directly. Your ISP's data retention policy and local laws determine how long this data is kept. However, there are ways to limit the amount of data your ISP collects about your online activities. This can be done using various privacy tools and practices.
How to limit data collection by your ISP?
One of the most effective ways to limit your ISP from collecting data about your online activities is to use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much more difficult for your ISP, or anyone else, to see what you're doing online. Incognito or private browsing modes in your web browser can also help to some extent. They prevent your browser from storing your browsing history, but do not hide your activity from your ISP. Also, consider using HTTPS connections wherever possible. HTTPS encrypts the content of your communication, but your ISP can still see the sites you visit. Lastly, you could use a privacy-focused search engine, such as DuckDuckGo, which does not store personal information or search history. In conclusion, while you can't directly delete Wi-Fi bill search history as it's stored by your ISP, you can take proactive steps to limit the data that gets collected. Utilizing a VPN, private browsing modes, HTTPS connections, and privacy-focused search engines are all good practices to enhance your online privacy. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this information helpful.